From the moment you walk in, the chimes on the door tell you this is no ordinary doctor's office. Even the patients seem to look forward to being here.
You told me last night you sleep very good?
Yes.
That's because for many of them, Dr. Park was their last hope to cure what's ailing them, and what he's doing seems to be working.
This is my 7th week, and he's been having me come in 6 days a week and putting all these needles in my hands.
Dr. Park is an acupuncturist, but he only performs Korean acupuncture. That means the needles are only put in the patient's hands.
Got the best sense of humor, best bedside manner of any doctor.
Tony Saladino had a host of ailments. He had heart problems, back problems, problems he says Western medicine couldn't relieve. All have since subsided since his treatments with Dr. Park. But Tony doesn't think it was just the acupuncture alone.
And I think 90% of everything is still in our heads. I think the brain is so strong, it probably cures the body.
Dr. Park says a positive attitude is part of the process, but his chart on the wall quickly explains with pictures how all organs are connected to points in the hands. When the hands are stimulated with the needles, the organs are stimulated. But there is no telling when a person will respond to the treatment.
This is depend sickness. Yeah, depend sickness. Somebody they need come every day. Somebody they need once a week or twice a week, 3 days a week. They're all different.
Some of Dr. Park's patients have tried full-body acupuncture with little or no results. They say since they've kept it limited to the hands, it's really helped them fight what's ailing them.
I had 7 treatments, and I had TMJ and a lot of neck pain and lower back pain, and it didn't help. And within 1 treatment of his, my TMJ had subsided.
Once Dr. Park inserts the needles into the hands, patients sit for 30 minutes. They take the needles out themselves and wipe their hands with alcohol. Sometimes there's a little blood, but for the most part, people who come to Dr. Park say the pain is minimal compared to their physical problems.
If you look at the cotton hairs, they're almost as thick as the needle. You know, they're pretty thin.
Dr. Park also sings to his patients, and his patients are comforted by the fact the needles they use are kept in a labeled container and only used by them. But besides the healing, his patients say they like coming because Dr. Park cares.
I work, enjoy my work, and I pray every day. Please, all my patients, quickly cure.
Elsa Ramon, Fox 10 News.